Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Steve. I am the founder of Afera. I'm excited to share our innovative cycle farming concept with you. Here we focus on aquaponics, insect farming with mealworms and black soldier flies, for upcycling food waste and providing fresh proteins for our fish. Additionally, we engage in traditional gardening with worm composting to enrich our garden beds with fresh nutrients. To reach all of you, despite language differences, I will post videos in both English and German, my native language. Regardless of the language, you will find accurately translated subtitles, so everyone can benefit. Simply activate the subtitle function at the top right to experience the content optimally. Stay tuned for a variety of informative content, practical tips and do-it-yourself guides that will empower you to implement these techniques at home. Don't forget to subscribe, join our community dedicated to cycle farming and turn on notifications to never miss a video.